Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Iza Mubin and I hope you are all doing well, taking care of your families and yourselves by staying at home. Today we are here to learn together, so let's get started. So our today's topic is human teeth, and we will see how we can take care of teeth and how we can make them strong. Before moving on, let's recap our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we discussed that there are 32 teeth in a full set of adult teeth. There are 4 types of adult teeth. Their names are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Then we discussed the types of teeth on the basis of their function, and in that we discussed that incisors are used for cutting, canines are used for gripping and tearing food, premolars and molars are used for crushing and grinding the food. Our today's lesson includes the ways of keeping teeth clean, plaque, how to brush your teeth, plaque detection, and the benefits of keeping teeth clean. So guys, have you ever had any toothache or ever been to a dentist for any other dental disease? If yes, then you must be aware of plaque. What is plaque? When we eat food and drink extra sugary drinks, the food and sugar get stuck on or between our teeth. If we don't remove them, if we don't brush, if we don't rinse our mouth after eating such food, then a soft and sticky layer will appear on our teeth, which is called plaque. It is not only bad when you see, but it also is the reason of so many dental disease. Okay, so what can plaque do? Plaque can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Different gum disease includes swollen gums, redness, bleed during the brushing, and mouth starts smelling. Plaque can also cause cavity, and different stages of formation of cavity are shown in the picture. So avoid plaque and different gum disease, we must have to take care of our teeth, and it's very important to clean our teeth on daily basis. So here are some of the ways in which you can take care of your teeth. First of all, brush your teeth twice a day with a brush and a good quality toothpaste. Drink milk daily and eat more calcium rich food as it make your teeth stronger. Floss and rinse your mouth after every meal, otherwise food particles can get stuck inside your mouth, which are not good for your health. Visit a dentist twice a year to have your teeth checked. Do not take too much sugary drinks and food that are rich in carbohydrates, and if you take, then must rinse your mouth or brush your teeth. Brushing teeth is very important for the cleanliness of your teeth, as it removes all the hidden food particles from inside your mouth. So only brush your teeth is not enough. You must be aware of how you can use the brush in correct way. Here is a video link that I am sharing with you. It includes all the correct movements of brushing teeth. So please watch it carefully, practice it on daily basis, and you can practice it along with the video as well. So watch it. Also change your brush after every 3 or 4 months or whenever it is worn out. Plus, never ever share your toothbrush with anybody, even with your family. Now let's move towards benefits of keeping our teeth clean. Why do you think keeping our teeth clean is important? Yes, because it prevents toothaches and gum disease. Plus, if we keep good care of our teeth when we are young, we can still have stronger teeth when we grow old. Now some useful information about plaque detection. There are many tablets available in market that can detect plaque on your teeth. Take any of them prescribed by your doctor. The parts of teeth that appear pink have plaque on them. Brush those teeth properly to remove the plaque. Wrap up time. Let's wrap up our today's lesson and have a look at important key points of the topic. When we eat food and drink extra sugary drinks, the food and sugar get stuck on or between our teeth. If we don't remove them, a soft and sticky layer called plaque will form on teeth, and it causes gum disease and cavity. Brush your teeth with correct movement and never share your brush with anyone. Brushing prevents toothaches and early weakening of teeth. There are many ways of keep our teeth clean, like brushing, visiting the dentist, avoiding carbohydrates and sugar-rich food. So, this is all about today's lesson. Here is your classwork. You have to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is plaque? Question number 2. Write any 5 ways by which you can keep your teeth clean and healthy. Do answer these questions in your notebooks, and please write down your index before starting your classwork. Write down date and day properly and follow all the copy rules that are given to you. Underline your topic with a color pencil and don't use eraser again and again, and please write in a neat and beautiful writing. Thank you everyone. Stay happy, keep happy. See you in next class. Allah Hafiz.